Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2026 Ford Ranger? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your pickup truck's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2026 Ford Ranger serves as the primary electrical distribution hub for the vehicle, designed to consolidate and protect the high current circuits essential for operation. Strategically located under the hood, this power distribution center acts as a safeguard, utilizing a combination of high-capacity fuses and relays to manage electrical flow to the truck's most vital systems. By housing these components in a centralized, weather-resistant enclosure, the design ensures that critical electronic infrastructure such as the powertrain control module, starter motor, lighting relays, and various heavy-duty electrical components remains protected from power surges, short circuits, and environmental contaminants that could otherwise cause catastrophic system failure. The feature set of this fuse box is defined by its modular layout, which allows for systematic troubleshooting and maintenance. Within the enclosure, you will find an array of micro, dual micro, and M-type fuses, each specifically rated to match the amperage requirements of its corresponding circuit. Because the system governs high-voltage distribution, the box is engineered for durability and accessibility, typically featuring clearly marked release latches that allow a technician or owner to pivot or remove the cover for inspection. Beyond simple protection, the arrangement within this compartment is integrated with the vehicle's overall electronic architecture, meaning that certain electrical resets or diagnostic procedures are tied directly to the integrity and status of these specific fuse and relay positions. Maintaining this box is crucial, as any disruption in its function can impact everything from engine performance to auxiliary power points and advanced vehicle sensors. Battery fuse box. The battery fuse box in the 2026 Ford Ranger functions as the critical first line of defense for the vehicle's entire electrical architecture. Unlike the general engine compartment fuse box that manages secondary circuits, this unit is mounted directly to or immediately adjacent to the positive battery terminal to handle high current loads. Its primary purpose is to protect the heavy gauge wiring that feeds the starter motor, the alternator, and the main power distribution buses. By placing these high amperage, bolt-down style fuses at the source of power, the system ensures that in the event of a severe short circuit or crash-related impact, body control module fuse box. The body control module fuse box in the 2026 Ford Ranger serves as the central nervous system for the vehicle's interior electronics, acting as the primary gateway between the BCM and the various comfort and convenience systems throughout the cabin. While the engine compartment fuse boxes handle heavy-duty power, the BCM fuse box is tasked with managing lower voltage circuits that control essential daily features, including interior and exterior lighting, door locks, window regulators, the infotainment system, HVAC controls, and various sensor inputs. By centralizing these fuses in a convenient, accessible location, usually found behind the passenger side kick panel or beneath the instrument cluster, it allows for more efficient wiring, harness routing, and easier diagnostic access to the complex electronic modules that govern cabin functionality. A key feature of the modern 2026 model is its deep integration with the vehicle's controller area network bus. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.